Hello everyone, today I have another Kiara Sky unboxing. So to try to make this video short, I'ma just start. I ordered a few colors and yeah, this is my actual second box. So as you can see, it has the Kiara Sky logo and everything on the box. Always well packaged and everything. So I got 4 acrylic colors. I got, I believe, 3 glitters and a holo powder. Then in my second package, this is huge because guess what I got? I actually got the Beyond Pro Rechargeable nail lamp. I haven't taken it out the box yet because I wanted to do this video. So I actually got the lamp and I'm so excited. I got some more Monomer since it was on sale for 20% off. I was like, why not get more Monomer since I'm probably going to need it? So let's just open this lamp right up. So this is how the box looks when it comes. It has a little handle up top, a magnetic handle. The back. Ooh, it's so pretty. I got the white one just to match my drill because my drill is white. It's not as big as I thought it would be, which is great because I was kind of hoping that it wouldn't be extra bulky. So it comes with all the timers, which is the 15-second, the 30-second, the 60-second, and the 90-second on low heat mode. So that's cool. The on and off button. And this is how the bottom looks. Here is, I guess, where you would charge it. Comes with the warranty and a user manual. And in this box just comes the charger for the lamp. So this is the one that connects to the lamp. And then this one's the one that connects to the charger itself. So it's a pretty long charge. So this is the bottom piece that goes underneath the lamp. So let me see if I could just, I'm all over the place, guys, sorry. I'm gonna just take out the blue piece. You just, I believe there's these little crevices that you just slide it right in. I don't know why I'm all over the place. Let's just try to get this in. It's a little hard. I wouldn't want to really break it, but I feel like I would. Because it is a little like, you have to push to really get in. But now that I got it in, it's just like that. So the claims for this lamp, it's cordless, rechargeable, extended battery life, powered by LG Enotech, LG technology light bulbs with high quality reflection cups and chip scale technology to optimize curing and no dead zones. High capacity and easy to change battery, acetone resistant, motion sensor activation with custom preset cure time of 15, 30, 60, and 90 seconds and optimal low heat feature. Easily sanitizable and removable stainless steel tray for pedicures, built-in handle for convenient mobility, chemical and shatter resistant full view LCD screen with display timer countdown, on-off feature for manual start and stop, wider opening for all 5 fingers, cure at once. I might keep the box. Show you guys how it is when it's turned on. So the button, when you turn it on, it makes a sound. The KS, sorry, I don't know if you guys could see that, but the KS turns on. Sorry, my light is braked. Then the timer is on and it goes automatically to 15. I believe I heard that if you put it for 30 seconds, the next time it turns on, it will stay at 30 seconds or 60 seconds or 90 seconds to whatever mode you leave it on. It is a motion sensor, so you go in and it starts up, you get out, that's it. And again, you know, basically. And on the side of the lamp, it just says what it is and Kiara Sky. And it's pretty lightweight. I wouldn't say that this is mega heavy. I'm assuming this is where the rechargeable part comes out. So let me just turn this off. So you just take this part out and that's where you can put the rechargeable battery that you can buy along with it. I personally don't think I need it. I'm not a nail professional, so I don't need it, so I won't be buying the extra one. So I think this is really cool, and the user manual, what it says is basically, oh, it's really short, it's not even that long. It just says where everything is, where everything goes. So that's it for the manual. But anyways, let's get on with the colors that I bought. So these are my swatches. I have a few more, but these are like my colorful swatches. So I'm gonna get started with the ones that I picked up already. So for my first shipment, I got 5 powders, and I already swatched them and everything since I got them like a week before everything else. The only thing I didn't like about this unboxing was that mine's already kind of came kind of like scratched, and I don't really like that, but whatever. Some of them can really scratch, but it's not a big deal as long as I can see the color within. So I'm gonna get started with Teddy Bear, which is this, I'm talking about when you ask for light and sweet, this is exactly what I think of. A milk chocolate type of color. It's such a smooth brown. I love it. So then I have Encouragement, and this is just a very, like, when you think mint ice cream, like a chocolate chip mint ice cream, this is kind of what the mint color ice cream looks like. I don't know what best way to explain it. And this is how it looks swatched. Then we have the tea, which I was dying for because I wanted like an olive shade. Not super olive, like, in my opinion, not for my skin tone, but it is a really gorgeous green. This is like the in-between of Ice For You and Hush Hush, which are dip powders, and they are like a gray green and then like a regular green, but this is like the in-between of both of them, so I love that. I also picked up Pink and Polish, which I wasn't going to get because I wanted I Do, which was a nude with shimmer, but I decided to go for the pink with shimmer because it just seemed to suit well. I don't know if you guys can pick up on the reflection of that, but there is some shimmers in there, and this is how Pink and Polish look. And then last but not least, I picked up their black. I got Black Tie Affair. It does have like shimmers in it. I don't know how, but when I first opened it, I was like, why does it have shimmers? But I don't know if you guys can see that, but it does have some shimmers in it, and that really kind of bothered me, but it actually gave the black a satin finish, so it doesn't look as matte as the other ones. So you're gonna see it right now. I did not put any top coat in any of these swatches, so this is just how they look. But to me, it gave the black a satin finish. I hope you guys can tell. So those are the first batch of the colors that I got for this one. And for the ones that I got after, so meaning the ones that I got now, I'm going to swatch in front of you guys because I just opened this package in front of you guys. So I'm just going to put some monomer in my dampen dish, and I am using the Kiara Sky monomer. One of the new colors that I picked up that I was between Teddy Bear or Brownie Points for a while, so I picked up Brownie Points, and this should be like a deep chocolatey brown. Oh, it looks so good. So let me get my brush ready. So here we go for Brownie Points. So this is Brownie Points, and it just looks like a beautiful chocolatey shade. I'm so glad I got this shade. I was, like I said, between Teddy Bear and Brownie Points, and then I just made a second order and I was like, yeah, I need this color, so I'm getting it. But that's Brownie Points. Okay, so I was cut off, but after doing Brownie Points, I actually did Baby Boo, and Baby Boo is just a light blue shade. It is super pastel. It's gorgeous, and here is the swatch again, and it is beautiful. Such a spring pastel like color. And then next I did Off the Grid, and this is a blue green. I was between this one and Summer Fling because they're supposed to be a blue green type of color, like a teal type of color, and I wasn't sure which one was more the color that I was looking for. I feel like this color looks more like an aquamarine color, but it still gives me that blue green vibe that I was looking for, and I really like it. It's such an Easter-like color. And if it had a hint more blue, it'd be great. But I still really like this color. Then I swatched Keep It 100. And this, I was very hesitant on purchasing because on the swatches that they show on the Kiara Sky Instagram, it looked very dark and deep black, but on the website it said it had shimmer in it. But I swatched it and it has absolutely no shimmer. It is a deep, deep black shade. I love it. If you have the gel color Chill Pill, it's pretty much the exact same thing, just opaque. I feel like Chill Pill is a little bit more sheer, but it's pretty much the same color. It is beautiful. So Chill Pill and Keep It 100, they are pretty much the same. Chill Pill just has a top coat on it, and right now it just looks a lot deeper. I believe if this had a top coat, it would look just as deep, or maybe this one does look a little bit more blue, but they both are two deep blue colors, just that this one is gel and this one is a all-in-one powder. So I also might as well give you an example. The middle one is the tea, this one is Ice For You, and this one is Hush Hush. These two shades on the sides are dip powder, and the middle one is an all-in-one powder. I feel like the tea is the in-between shades of these two. It is not gray, but it's not too green like a forest. It is the perfect tea-like color, but I don't consider it a olive color, but it is a nice green. So I do like that I purchased it because I like greens. So I also picked up this rub-on powder in Holo. Holo? Is that how you say it? I don't know. But anyways, that's how I pronounce it. And I know I complained about the other ones, but this was on sale, so I felt like it was more justified to buy it at that price than it was at the price that I got it for originally. Let me try opening this. This is how the powder looks. Not bad. Not really a lot in there, but these do last quite a while. Trust me, a little goes a long way. So what I was excited about was the glitters that I purchased. So I'm starting off with Glam and Glisten, and this is just their sprinkle on glitter, and this is gorgeous. Oh my, I can't wait to use this. Wow, it exceeded my expectation right there. Next we have Ice Queen. Oh wow, this has the perfect amount of silver and pink with a little bit of lilac. It is cute. Can't wait to use this. So next we have Ocean Breeze. Wow, I love it. I love it. It's so pretty. What a beautiful like mermaid-like color. Yay. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. So the difference between this top is, I don't know if you guys can see that. It has like a, not a glittery top, but like a netting. Can you guys see that? Yeah. So this is all the stuff I picked up, glitters, everything. It is worth it. Like, I love Kiara Sky stuff. I always find it to be worth the price, and I just love the color range that they have. It's just the best. But I hope you guys enjoyed and got to see a little bit more color. Just in case you guys are interested, I'm going to leave a little video for you guys to see all the swatches up close and personal, so enjoy that. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until next time, bye!